There has been a lot of excitement about this home, and for very good reason. And after months of careful design and thoughtful craftsmanship, this completely reimagined Alliance built home is ready to hit the market. My name is Krista Kachurian. Let me show you around 319 Holly Drive. A well-designed kitchen has to look as beautifully as it functions, and this one absolutely nails it. Expanded and elevated, this kitchen features professional-grade appliances, luxurious surfaces, and high-grade features like hidden charging. As someone who lives in and specializes in mid-century modern homes right here in Terra Linda, I know how rare it is to find an Alliance home upgraded to this caliber. 319 Holly Drive is the perfect example of what's possible when architecture and design align.